How to redeem codes in Marble Strike Force. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and search Marble Strike Force. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the official Marble Strike Force website. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Login, which is located on top right corner of your screen. Then log in with your Scopely account or your Facebook account. After logging into your account, you will find this kind of screen pop up where it shows redeem your code. You just need to add your redemption code and you're good to go. That's how you add redeem codes in Marble Strike Force. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.